Hello everyone, this is Kat, and I am opening up a box. I'm going to be doing some pausing and lifting, and yep, Blooper won't leave it alone, and Carmel's sitting there watching too. She's been getting annoyed with me. Anyway, I'm fixing to knock Blooper out of the way and show you the inside of this box. Wonder what's going to be inside. I'm going to open up a little bit. I just really wanted to show the inside packing of this box. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Okay, I'm gonna lift the next. But as you can tell, it's like a heavy duty foam packing. The cats are probably gonna claim that really quick. Anyway, one more pause. Okay. So you can see it's on the back side. So I need to get that off first. Blooper, you're going to be crushed. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. Blooper, you're not going to get it out. I'm struggling to get it out. Okay, I'm going to show. Oh, it's terrible looking, but okay. That looks to me like spray foam insulation inside of it. So what's going to be in there? What's inside the box? Okay, this has to be the absolute best packing I've ever seen in my life. Because what's in here is a shiny tool. Look at the sparkles. Love the sparkles. What's that go to? Most people that are potters might already know what I'm looking at. Okay, pausing again to open up even more packaging. Ta-da! Yeah, that's right. Oh, Blooper, I'm not putting you in the kiln. You're not going to go in there. Back off, buddy. Back off. Okay. So, these are 2 Advancer kiln shelves. I could only afford 2. Oh, good grief. There you go. Anyway, with some of the best packaging I've ever seen in my life. They really did not want them to break en route. And so, 2 lovely shiny kiln shelves. That's going to fill in my kiln. And hopefully, I'm going to test it on some of the clays that I use. But as far as my white clay, it may stick. The T-Mix 6 may stick a little bit. I'm just going to have to see how it does. And I may have to kiln wash the posts that touch these shelves. Because I've seen some other YouTubers do that. And I think that that'd probably be a good idea. Okay, attacking kitties. Blooper. Blooper. Stop. Anyway. So, I'll pause for just a few more seconds and I'll get them out. Okay, here's the second part. I want you to see the difference in the kiln shelves. This is 2 shelves. That's 1 shelf. Pretty. I don't know why it's doing that with autofocus. Maybe my thing's dirty, but anyway. Pretty cool. I was so scared that somehow I had managed to order the wrong size because they were so expensive. I was like, oh no. Because that seems like something I'd done maybe a time or 2 in the past. Hence the Bailey 23.5-inch trimmer that I don't know, I may use. Okay, we're just focusing in and out. Anyway, pausing. Okay, don't know why I need to keep saying pausing because you don't even know. Carmel, what do you think of the Advancer kiln shelves? Do you prefer them? You prefer the Advancers. Okay, we'll see how it goes when I'm going to be doing hopefully a bisque firing tonight. And then I'll work on mixing glazes and doing the glaze. Oh, no, 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 no. You don't play with knives. Anyway, Carmel, give the seal of approval. Thank you, everybody. And I will give my honest opinion. I'm not sponsored. I paid for them out of pocket. And I'm just pretty excited. I mean, just look at the difference in size. 2 of them. And the packaging was, wow. Packaging was amazing. Took a lot to get them out. Me and my one arm self. Well, I say one arm. One shoulder that works good. Anyway. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Bye.